In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your logo, menu, text, icons, background, and colors on scroll in WordPress Elementor. This is a powerful effect that makes your website look more professional and dynamic. When someone lands on your site, they can see a transparent header with a light logo, and as soon as they scroll, the header changes background color, swaps the logo, and updates menu and icon colors automatically. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future Elementor tips and WordPress tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. From your admin panel, navigate to the page or template where your header is created. If you're using Elementor Theme Builder, go to Templates, then Theme Builder, and open your header template with Elementor. If your header is built directly on a page, simply edit that page with Elementor. Now here's the key concept behind this effect. We're going to use what I call the two logos trick. Instead of trying to dynamically replace one logo, we'll actually place two logo images in the same column and control their visibility with CSS when the user scrolls. Inside your header section, add two image widgets into the same column. The first image will be your top logo. This is usually a white or light version of your logo that looks good on a transparent or dark background. The second image will be your scroll logo. This is typically a darker version that looks good on a white or solid background. Once both logos are added, click on the first image widget, go to the Advanced tab, and in the CSS Classes field, enter Original Logo. Then click on the second image widget, go to Advanced, and in the CSS Classes field, enter Scroll Logo. These class names are very important because we'll target them with custom CSS to control which logo appears on scroll. Now we're going to handle the scroll behavior using custom CSS. Click on the main container of your header. This could be the main section or container that wraps your entire navigation area. Make sure you're selecting the parent container, not just a column or widget. With the main container selected, go to the Advanced tab and scroll down to Custom CSS. Keep in mind that Custom CSS is available in Elementor Pro. Inside the Custom CSS box, you're going to paste your scroll CSS code that controls the background color change, logo visibility, and menu and icon color transitions. The logic behind the CSS works like this. By default, the original logo is visible and the scroll logo is hidden. When the header gets a sticky or scrolled class applied by Elementor, we switch their visibility. At the same time, we change the background color of the header, update the menu link colors, and adjust icon colors so everything matches the new background. For example, your CSS will hide the scroll logo by default and show the original logo. Then when the header becomes sticky on scroll, it will hide the original logo and display the scroll logo. In that same sticky state, you can set a solid background color like white, add a slight box shadow for depth, and change your menu text color from white to black. You can also target your icon elements and update their color to match the new design. After pasting the CSS code, click Update to save your changes, then preview your page. At the top of the page, you should see your transparent header with your original logo and light-colored menu text. As soon as you scroll down, your header should change background color, your second logo should appear, and your menu and icon should update their colors automatically. If it doesn't work immediately, double-check that your header is set to sticky under the advanced settings in Elementor. Go to Advanced, then Motion Effects, and make sure sticky is enabled, usually set to top. Without enabling sticky behavior, the scroll class won't activate properly. And that's it. You've now learned how to change logo, menu, text, icons, background, and colors on scroll in WordPress Elementor using a clean and professional method. This technique gives your website a modern feel and improves user experience significantly. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a full CSS breakdown or a downloadable snippet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.